Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a shining text effect on CapCut. So select a dark background. I just use stock videos for that. Go to text and add text, and then I'm just going to change the font. You can change it to whatever you like, but make sure it's like kind of bold. So I'm just going to choose this one. Make the font really big, and you're going to want to export it first. Then you're going to want to open that exported file, press add, and then go to effects, video effects, and you are going to go to shadow. Then you are just going to choose angel, and you can adjust the intensity here too if you'd like. And that's pretty much it. It is super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!